The world of juicing has been revolutionized with the introduction of this cold press juicer featuring a 5.4-inch extra large feed chute. Designed to handle whole fruits and vegetables effortlessly, this 350-watt professional slow masticating juicer machine brings convenience, efficiency, and high nutritional value to your kitchen. In this comprehensive review, we will explore the various features and benefits of this advanced juicer, which promises to elevate your juicing experience. One of the standout features of this cold press juicer is its 5.4-inch reversible feed chute. This large feed chute allows you to add whole apples, oranges, and other sizable fruits and vegetables without the need for pre-cutting. This not only saves time but also increases juicing efficiency, making your morning routine quicker and easier. The juicer boasts a sleek and modern design with a durable and corrosion-resistant 3.1x5 5-in auto-cutting auger. Made from food-grade materials, this spiral auger ensures that every drop of nutrition is extracted from the produce, providing you with a glass of juice that is rich in vitamins and minerals. At the heart of this juicer is its 350-watt motor, which powers the machine to efficiently extract juice. The 50 revolutions per minute slow cold press technology is designed to minimize heat buildup and reduce oxidation. This slow masticating process ensures that the juice retains its natural flavors and nutritional value, giving you a fresh and healthy drink every time. One of the most impressive aspects of this juicer is its 99% high juice yield. The powerful motor and efficient design work together to extract maximum juice with minimal pulp, resulting in a smooth and enjoyable juice experience. The reduction in clogging and sediment production further enhances the quality of the juice, making it both delicious and nutritious. The cold press juicer is designed with user convenience in mind. The one-piece design with only 3 components makes it incredibly easy to assemble and disassemble. In just 5 seconds, you can have the juicer ready to go or completely taken apart for cleaning. The simple press of a button allows you to remove the body of the juicer, making stain removal quick and hassle-free. Cleaning is often a concern with juicers, but this model addresses that with its straightforward design and easy-to-clean components. The machine comes with a brush to help you reach any tricky spots, and the parts are dishwasher safe, ensuring that you can maintain your juicer with minimal effort. Safety is a top priority with this cold press juicer. It is equipped with an automatic safety sensor that stops the machine from working when the lid of the feed chute is opened. This feature ensures that the juicer is safe to use around children and the elderly, providing peace of mind while you prepare your healthy beverages. One of the key advantages of using a cold press juicer is the preservation of nutrients. The slow masticating process, operating at 50 revolutions per minute, ensures that the juice retains its natural state, locking in freshness and nutrition. By minimizing oxidation, this juicer helps to maintain the vitamins, minerals, and enzymes present in the fruits and vegetables, delivering a health-packed drink that can boost your energy levels and overall well-being. This cold press juicer is not just limited to fruits and vegetables. Its powerful motor and efficient design make it capable of handling a variety of produce, from leafy greens and wheatgrass to hard vegetables like carrots and beets. This versatility allows you to experiment with different juice combinations and create a range of healthy drinks to suit your taste preferences and nutritional needs. When investing in a kitchen appliance, customer support and warranty are important considerations. This cold press juicer comes with a comprehensive warranty and reliable customer service. The manufacturer provides a lifetime support guarantee, ensuring that you have access to assistance and replacement parts if needed. This commitment to customer satisfaction adds value to your purchase and ensures that you can enjoy the benefits of your juicer for years to come. Final thoughts. The cold press juicer with a 5.4-inch extra large feed chute is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to enhance their juicing experience. Its innovative design, efficient performance, and high juice yield make it a standout option in the market. The ease of use, safety features, and nutritional benefits further solidify its position as a must-have kitchen appliance. Whether you are a seasoned juicer or new to the world of cold press juices, this juicer is sure to impress with its ability to deliver fresh, nutritious, and delicious juice every time. By investing in this juicer, you are taking a step towards a healthier lifestyle, one glass of juice at a time. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth reviews and juicing tips. Have any questions or thoughts about this cold press juicer? Drop a comment below, we love hearing from you. And remember to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy juicing!